Hello everyone. Now we are going to see MCQ of chapter compaction of soil, subject soil mechanics. There are 27 questions. Let's start. Let's quick. First question is the basic action involved in sheep foot rolling is. The answer is kneading. Question 2. Pneumatic tire rollers are best suited for all of the mentioned cohesionless sand, cohesive soils, and cohesionless gravels. Question 3. With increase in compaction, energy in compaction test, MDD increase and OMC decreases. Which of the following is incorrect for compaction? The load is static. It is incorrect. For a standard Proctor test, the mass of hammer and the drop of hammer are 2.6 kg is the mass and 310 mm is the drop. Next, consolidation is a natural process. It is true or false? It is true. Next, after the compaction of soil, volume of soil decreases and air is removed from the soil. Next, the number of layers of soil compaction depends on type of soil and amount of compaction required. The rolling equipments are of which types? There are 5 types of rolling equipments. Sheep foot roller is more suitable for compacting of which soil? Cohesive soils. The tire pressure in the smaller rollers are in the order of 250 kN per meter square. Next, the performance of a compaction equipment depends on soil type, water type, and particle size distribution. Next, the foot pressure in sheep foot roller ranges from 800 to 3500 kN per meter square. Which of the following factor affects compacted density? Water content and type of compaction factor affects compacted density. Next, the compacted density is increased when the water content of the soil is increased. Next, the amount of compaction greatly affects water content and maximum density called MDD. Next, higher density and lower optimum water content is easily achieved by coarse grained soil. Next, the dry density decreases in cohesionless soil with an increase in water content due to which of the following reason? It is the bulking of sand. The maximum density is reached in cohesionless soil when the soil is fully saturated. The maximum bulking of sand occurs at a water content between 4 to 5%. The initial decrease of dry density at lower water content is exhibited in which type of soil? It is black cotton soil. Which of the following property of soil is improved by compacting the soil? It, it is all mentioned above: reduction of compressibility, water absorption, and permeability. The shear strength of compacted clays depends upon which? Depends upon dry density. What is the maximum dry density of a soil sample having specific gravity 2.7 and OMC means optimum moisture content is 16, and the answer is 1.88 gram per centimeter cube. The compaction process can be accomplished by which process? It is all of the mentioned above: rolling, tempering, and vibration. A cohesive soil yields a maximum dry density of 1.8 gram per centimeter cube at an optimum moisture content OMC of 16%. During a standard Proctor test, what will be its degree of saturation? Take G is equal to 2.65 and the answer is 89.79%. Last question. The standard Proctor test was developed by Proctor. Here we have completed the MCQ based question on compaction of soil. Thank you.